Today we are going to look at the sounds of Ibibio language, the vowels and the consonant sounds, the A, E, O, U, the short E and the A being underlined yellow. We also have the consonant sounds, the familiar ones which are also there in English, but there are other ones that are combined, like what we have, those ones underlined red. Now the application of these sounds are as follows. Now we look at the A sound, where you have akpan, abang, aba, akpan, abang, aba, ebe, ete, eben, ikpang, ini, inang, o for owo, obu, obio, obong, ubong, udo, unam, udara. Now we also have the short E, like the ikam, inam, atang. The sound is present in the middle of those words, ikam, kam. We also have the R sound, like the ke, ark. You have cock, like cook, close, knock, push, nook. And the application of the combined consonants are as follows. We have the KP, the k, akpan, akpan, ekpo, ekpo. The NW nwed, nwa, nwan, NG, isang, ikpang. NY we have like nye, nyanya, inyene. GH like g, etake, etige, etigi, atake, etigi. KW is the quo, okwok, quo, okwok. You can see those sounds there. And also we have the consonant sounds that are not available in Ibibio language. The CGJ, Q, V, X, Z are not there in Ibibio language, and that's why you see an Ibibio man having problem pronouncing the words that have J, like Abuja, you have Abuya, Ijo, Iyo, junction, you have junction, because that sound is not there in Ibibio language. So if you really like the video, please subscribe, like it, subscribe. I promise you by the end of the free tutorial course you will speak Ibibio better and fluently. So if you have any observation or contribution to make, please write it at the comment section of the video. Aminkere Utenge George Etiesu.